Yung
Yes.
request ni Fatu Bensouda is, it's a request for an investigation. And there are 120 days for the pre-trial chamber to decide, no? By that time, filing na yun ng certificates of candidacy. You think this issue will be a major topic that might influence the 2022 elections? In any
It is a major topic. Whether or not it will influence the election is another issue. But that it will be an issue in the campaign, yes, it will be. But having said that, you know, I mean, I do not want to be in the shoes of the legal advisors of the president. Why is that? Because they are at a crossroads. The president said, and this was confirmed by Secretary Harry Roque, that he does not recognize the ICC proceedings. The problem is the ICC will continue even if there is no cooperation from the palace. The ICC has taken the view that it has acquired jurisdiction over the president because the withdrawal came after the charges have been filed. Having said that, if you were the counsel for the president, you have to decide: do I participate and present and examine the witnesses of the prosecution and show that there is no basis, or do I maintain the position that the ICC proceedings are not applicable and are not valid because I have withdrawn? So it's really a difficult dilemma that they are in.
Yes. So what can you tell us? What are the implications either way? No, if they go for yes, we will now study the basis for the prosecution, or if no, we don't recognize it. What would be, you know, saan siya mauuwi, sir?
Well,
either way, no, either way.
Lucy, if you say that I have no that the ICC has no jurisdiction over the president, as that is the position taken by his legal advisors, then the ICC will proceed to hear the evidence, examine the evidence, and if it finds enough cause and evidence, they can file the case.
But you would also agree that it would be quite difficult, no, if the state refuses to cooperate. In particular, may problema yung how high up accountability will go. Kasi we have mostly declarations, public pronouncements from the president, yung mga campaign promises niya to kill all the troublemakers. But then, meron din tayong pronouncements from him. He spoke before the UN General Assembly, and then in the past months, he's been saying, hindi ko naman inutos na patayin, sinabi ko lang na papatay kayo in self-defense.
May qualifiers.
Ami, all that I'm saying is the legal counsels of the president would have to decide whether to come to the tribunal and argue that the president is beyond the jurisdiction of the tribunal because of the withdrawal from the Rome Statute. And on the other hand, they have taken the position to completely not cooperate. So this is just an issue that, in my mind, as a lawyer and a former prosecutor, a Secretary of Justice, would have to be resolved by the lawyers and decide on the basis of what they believe is in what in their judgment is best for the client, the president.
Yung nga, sir, does that mean that if the government does not recognize the jurisdiction of the ICC, it therefore defaults on mounting a defense before the ICC?
That's one situation that you can think about and consider, because the ICC has said we have jurisdiction, so they will proceed.
Yeah, okay, but okay, how critical is this dilemma Is this a damn if you do, damn if you don't situation kind of dilemma where either way, there's hell to pay, kind of?
Well, I do not want to speculate on that the president has his own counsel. So, but I'm just saying that if I were in their shoes, that is a dilemma that I am facing. And I have to decide in my best judgment what is best for my client, the president.
Senator, kung ganong iba-iba ang sinasabi ni Presidente, which one will carry greater weight? May time element ba yan kung ano yung pinakabagong sinabi niya?
Well, Ami, I will beg that question. Precisely, if they want to assert a defense on the part of the president, then they must appear. But if they appear in the court, they might be construed as recognizing the court.